This video is sponsored by Squarespace, more about them later. Hey there IKEA lovers! IKEA dropped a bunch of new products this year. And today I went digging for the best new bargains that cost under $10, and boy oh boy I found some gems. So today I'm showing you 10 brand new IKEA finds for 2025, and yep, they're all under 10 bucks. But first, if you're new here, hi, I'm Man, and this here is my dog Mars, and we love all things IKEA, DIY and interior design. So before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! We're starting right off with the first IKEA 2025 gem under $10, and that is this food basket with lid. This one's a total kitchen upgrade for just $8.99. It's made of sturdy steel mesh with a bamboo lid and is made to keep your fruits, veggies, or pantry items neatly stored and beautifully displayed. It's stackable, breathable, and way too stylish for something that holds onions. I especially love this beigey color. It's a real must-have this year. Next on the list is the ZEBRASÄV Pendant lamp that costs only $6.99. This one is such a steal. It has a funky, offbeat shape that looks like modern art for your ceiling, and the soft glow it gives off is just chef's kiss. Whether you hang it over your dining table, bedroom, or even in a hallway, it will add a unique touch to any room. It comes in two color options. I like how both of them look, and it is such a budget-friendly way to elevate your space for under $7. Another new IKEA gem that will elevate your space and bring in those cozy vibes into your home is the STOCKHOLM 2025 Tealight Holder. This one comes at $9.99 and it's a little cube of cozy luxury. Crafted from thick borosilicate glass, its design resembles a chunky ice cube, which is a nod to Swedish glass art. When lit, it casts a warm, diffused glow that instantly elevates any space. It's one of those small details that makes a big impact. Now, when it comes to decor, another new IKEA find I absolutely love is the GRILLTIDER Serving tray. This one comes at only $6.99, and honestly, it's way too good looking for the price. Made from stainless steel, it's not just functional, but also so aesthetic. That shiny metal finish looks stunning, styled in modern kitchens or coffee tables. You can use it for serving snacks, organizing candles, or just flexing your interior design skills. This tray just does it all. Now, before we move on to our next IKEA find, let me tell you a bit about today's sponsor, Squarespace, the ultimate platform for creating stunning websites. First up, their domain services are just incredible. When you purchase a domain through Squarespace, you get free SSL security, privacy protection, and unlimited email forwarding, all included. It's such a practical one-stop solution that saves you time and keeps everything organized in one place. What I've been also obsessed with lately is their print-on-demand feature. It's such a smart solution if you want to sell custom merchandise without dealing with inventory or shipping. You just upload your designs and Squarespace handles everything else. It's just perfect for creators that are looking to expand their brand with minimal hassle. Not to mention their invoicing system. It's revolutionizing how it helps you handle your client work. You can create these incredibly professional proposals and contracts, plus manage all of your client communications all in one place. So if you want to create a website or an online store, head on to squarespace.com for a free trial. And when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/homebyman to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to our new IKEA finds. The next new IKEA find under $10 just had to be this beautiful Utensils Holder. This rustic stoneware beauty comes at $9.99, yet with its beautiful glazed surface, it brings a handcrafted charm to your kitchen. It's perfect for keeping your spatulas and whisks easily accessible on the countertop, but it also doubles as a stylish container for cutlery and napkins on the dining table. The glazed interior means that it can even be used as a plant pot, so the options with this one are endless. Next up is the SOLVINDEN Table lamp, which comes at only $6.99. This cute little lamp is battery operated and can be used both indoors and outdoors, making it perfect for patios, balconies, picnics, or even bedtime glow. The built-in LED light offers a warm decorative glow, and the smart design makes it perfect as a cute table lamp. In other words, only $6.99 for cozy vibes on the go. And when we're talking about lights, I just have to mention my most recent IKEA purchase, which is the GULLSUDARE Lampshade, just right over here. If you watched my recent IKEA haul video, you know that I got this one for my dining room, and I was honestly shocked to see how big it is and how much impact it makes to a space. This gorgeous rice paper beauty costs only $9.99, yet looks like those expensive rice paper shades that cost a fortune. And despite that, this one is perfect for adding that soft, dreamy glow to your space without breaking the bank, which I love so much. The next under $10 IKEA find is the BENGTA Block-out curtain. This one comes at only $9.99 for a full-length panel, yet is a game changer for anyone craving better sleep or a darker room. It blocks out light like a pro, making it perfect for bedrooms, nurseries, or midday naps. It's available in a few color options, plus you can cut it to your desired length with no sewing needed, which is so practical and so smart. Next up on my list is the Froaxed Vase, or as most people call it, the smiley face vase. This one's a fresh new IKEA find I haven't featured before, and it is priced at $9.99. This little guy isn't just a happy face, it's perfect for holding flowers, herbs, or even kitchen utensils. With its playful design and versatile style, it's a fun way to brighten up any room for sure. And the last under $10 IKEA find on my list had to be the DIMPA Sorting Bag. This one comes just above $5 for a seriously stylish storage solution. It's perfect for recycling or laundry. It keeps things neat while looking way better than your typical bin. It also has a lid, which I love so much. I keep it on the balcony to recycle my plastic bottles. It's lightweight, durable, and designed to fit anywhere. And that's a wrap on the new 2025 IKEA finds under $10. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell to make sure you never miss another video again. I post IKEA content every single Thursday, so you'd like to stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Bye! Buddy! Hey! People will think that I'm actually filming these videos in one day since you're always in the same position. You're always in the same position. How could it be, Mars? Look at this, guys. This background looks so good. Right? Right, Mars? You love it? Oh my god, you're so tired. You're so tired. You're sleeping all day. Why are you so tired? I'm not bothering you anymore. Bye-bye. Bye.